Hello there from the global world. This is Revd.Soji Francis, the president of Global Concerts of Prayer. There is another ministry going on called Global Issues and Solutions TV. This program is to give informations, disseminating informations to our global world as to what is going on in our world. If there is anybody that needs to know more, better in our world, in every departments of life, it should be believers who actually have direct access and contact to the God of the universe. We cannot allow only the secular people bringing solutions, and we cannot run away from some of the things happening in our world, thinking that, oh, I don't want to be part of politics or economic factor or earth ecology or global warming and all of the things and issues that are being discussed around our world. We cannot seclude ourselves from things that we were born to have solution for. I just want to really use this medium to inform the global world that we have the mandate to offer solutions to some of the issues going on around our world. To this, I want to let you know that even in the financial factor, if there is anyone that should have got more solution to give to the financial world, it should be coming from us. If there is any political issues going on, we should have a solutions to resolve them. If there is earth ecology and all of the environmental issues, both for the sustainability of our environment and our nations, we cannot hide away anymore. Look at it this way: the secular people, they are the ones that quickly rush to offer solution, even with the populations going on, with our children, getting to promiscuity, and the secular world even trying to offer solution somewhere along the line. Why are we hiding back and holding back and not being able to speak clearly about issues going on in our world? And we cover ourselves up with all these religious statements that does not offer solutions to the global world. I'm challenging you now. Thinking your local church is no longer good anymore. God is taking us beyond the boundaries, beyond the building, beyond what you call my own kind of denomination. God is taking us into having a kingdom mindset, which is a global mindset. We have to move away with all of this thinking that does not grow anybody, that made the world to even run away from us. The world was supposed to run to us because we are the custodian of wisdom, the custodian of power, the custodian of what it is that the world is looking for. We have them. We should start speaking from this moment onward, getting involved in what is going on in our world. I'll come back to you, and this Global Issues and Solution TV is coming your way very soon, all over the world, where we begin to involve in things happening not in the Christian world but in the Middle East. Our brothers, Muslims, and our Hindus brothers, and everyone that were created on the planet Earth, they are our potential brothers and sisters, and we cannot overlook them. If Christ did not overlook them, for Christ so loved the world that he died for the whole world, we should never do the same, because it does not make you to be holy. It makes you to be selfish. You need to be selfless. You need to go out the world, winning the world, and speaking the truth of God's word to every individual you came across in love. Till next time I will come back to you again to explain how these global issues and solutions will better our world, and how you will also involve in these global issues and solutions that God is bringing our way. Till then, I'll speak to you again, Revd.Soji Francis. God bless you.